Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. So today, as you know by the title, I'm going to show you how to apply nail stickers, and I will show you the easy steps to do it, and this is what you will achieve at the end of the video because I have applied these stickers that are from Revlon. So if you'd like to watch the video on how to do this, then without further ado, let's get started. If you guys would like to know how to get from here to here, then all you are going to need are some nail stickers. I have different kinds of nail stickers here from different brands, and I'm going to use this one here today. Also, you are going to need a top coat or a base coat, which is a transparent nail polish, and you will need this entire nail kit. Just kidding, only the scissors. First, I am going to apply a generous amount of top coat on my nail. Then I'm just going to take the nail sticker and apply it onto my nails correctly by positioning it. Make sure you take your time while you do this because you want it to perfectly fit your nail. I will cut off the excess with the scissor. However, you can also use a nail file for this. According to me, scissors work better, so I am using scissors here. And this is how it looks once it's done. Make sure you press it down so that it fits perfectly on your nail. And this is the finished look. Next, I am going to do the rest of my nails really quickly. Here is my complete left hand done. And I have applied the nail stickers on my right hand as well, and this is the finished look. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.